Hello and welcome to Classifying Chemical Reactions number 9. Please take a second and read our instructions that would have been at the station. We have two chemicals involved here at reaction number 9. Our first one is an aqueous solution of calcium chloride. I'm going to fill up my test tube approximately a third of the way full. And then my second chemical is an aqueous solution of silver 1 nitrate. And I'm only going to use about 6 drops of this. And observe. While you're observing here for a few seconds, one of the notes on this sheet was on the cleanup. This is something that cannot be dumped down the sink. The reason for that, because this has silver involved, again, silver is a transition metal. I would have to tell you its ionic charge, and it is silver 1 nitrate is the chemical that we started with. But silver is also a heavy metal. And so it's not something that we want in our water supply, and so this is something that we do not wash down the sink. On lab day, I actually have students stay at this station for a few minutes and go ahead and start the word equation and the formula equation, because it does take a while. But what I want you to hopefully notice, and I think you can kind of see those white speckles even in this part. You clearly have it up here, but that white material that is up there is gradually, very slowly, but it is gradually falling to the bottom. It looks a little bit like a snow globe. Not sure how well that will show up on the video. But it does take a while. It does happen very slowly. But that's an example of a precipitate, because I have a solid material that is very slowly falling to the bottom. For our sake, I do not know how to do a time-lapse video yet. If I did, I would do that here and let it go for several minutes. But for our sake, I will stop there and we will continue on the PowerPoint. But that concludes reaction number 9.